So for the interdisciplinary project between English and history, we're each going to maybe come up with one essential question for each of our classes, and maybe some skills and terms we've used or a project idea. And we could put some of the handouts here and just point out some things we want to discuss, and then eventually we could come up with a project. So how does culture shape the way we see ourselves and the world around us was the one essential question I was thinking of first. One of the things we want to think about for our students is how do we define culture for them according to their own lives. So having them fill out this handout here gets them thinking about culture outside of things just like dress or foods, but more along the lines of what's fair in our culture, how do we feel about time, things that aren't as obvious to them. And then after they finish that last worksheet, then they can also think about, even though everyone has a culture, we all sort of do things differently within our own homes possibly. So, for instance, within my class, I have some students that still, have Spanish-speaking parents at home, and they might have different holidays or ceremonies amongst each other, even though we are living in American culture. So this one is more individual and gives the understanding that not all people in every culture are the same.